No, I get lots of emails from people that say, I just wish there was a way I could talk to my angels. Well, talk to them and hear from them. So, guess what? I've taught thousands of people how to channel messages in from the divine. And I've created a kindergarten style, easy guide for you so that you can start not just talking out loud to your angels, but actually receiving guidance from them. If this is something you want, it won't cost you a penny. Just fill in the little form that tells me you want it, and you'll be taken to a page. You can have it right now. Download it, no waiting. In addition, I've created a follow-up 12 days of angel messages. Now, these are from different angels with different reasons, different offices, you might say. Angels of comfort, angels of inspiration, angels to lift you up so that you can be immersed in an angelic experience. If this is something that you feel will bless you and lift you up, fill out the little form and feel free to send this video to anyone else that you know that would love to not just talk out loud to your angels, but hear what your angels have to say. Your angels are so excited. They're jumping up and down, they're clapping, they're waiting for you today. Take action. Do it. I'll see you on the other side.